What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at another Xiaomi product. For those who know me, know I love Xiaomi products. They're fantastic, and they are always at great prices. Today we're looking at the original Xiaomi headphones. These are the relaxed version. The weight is about 220 grams, cable length 1.4 meters, 3.5 millimeter jack, max power 50 milliwatts, frequency range 20 to 40,000 hertz, sensitivity 107 decibels. Now they're supposed to be super duper comfortable. From what I was reading, they have pretty good reviews. These are only about 50 bucks as of the time of recording this. Ooh, those are fancy. Look at those. Oh man. Okay, so first off, we've got this big pouch to keep them nice and safe. One more design. Well, they feel really super light. Wow, look how, wow, that has got some serious cushion to it. These are gonna be really comfortable, I can already tell. It actually moves, it's rubber right here. Nice little gold trim, about a 5-foot cable, nice gold tip, 3.5 millimeter jack. The top is made, I think that's like a rubber or something. On the inside, you get the gold trim, R and L. Ooh, these are very flexible. Look at that. They can extend, oh, gold trim on the extensions here. That's really cool. Oh yeah, oh, these look good too. I have no idea if this is like a touch or anything like that. All right, I'm just gonna plug it in, see what happens. Oh, this right here, this whole thing is a button. You press once to answer calls. Previous song, you press 3 times. Next song, you press it twice. And then play and pause, you press it once. It works. Okay, cool. I like that. Wow. It's got some nice sound to it. Whoa, that's loud. Wow. It's got a low rumble. It doesn't knock very hard. Very clear. Oh, so loud.
Chinese vloggers are creating intricate eye sculptures.
It's got some good sound to it. Yo, what up, brah? Sounds like I'm calling you. That's a good sign. An 8 on clarity. Oh, you get a score now. Jesse's moving up in his microphone review. He's giving us a score. All right, well that worked out really well. He sounded really good. These things are really comfortable. The material, it doesn't really breathe too much. I started feeling a little bit of, a little heat starting to build up around the ears. My ear fits completely inside. They're very comfortable. They don't squeeze the head. You can see they're very flexible. Oh, you know what? This is something that, I thought of in one of my last videos is I think I'm being too kind on my scoring system. So from now on, I'm gonna be a little more stringent. We're gonna set the bases here. 0 meaning the worst of the worst. 5 will be moderate or to be expected. We'll say 5 is normal and 10 is outrageously impossible. Okay, so that's what we're gonna go off for now on. So the highs and the mids based off of my newly adjusted rating scale, I'm gonna give them a 7. They sound really good. They're above normal. To me, normal is not good enough. The highs and the mids on here were really, really good. They were really good. Bass was not normal. It sounded good, but there wasn't any power behind it. In bass boosted, you could hear the rumble, and it was nice smooth, but it wasn't very thuddy. If you're an audiophile and you're looking for a full-bodied sound, these are lacking bass. I'm gonna give it a 4 on the bass. Not the worst, but definitely not the best. So if you're in the market and you're looking around that $50 range, this could be a good way to go. Again, as of recording this video, this is $50. GearBest changes their prices all the time depending on the market, so go to the link down below and check it out for yourself. But with that said, I leave it in your hands, so as for now, get out of here.